Hello everyone and welcome! Today we're kicking off our series on Joget DX 9. In this session, part 1, we will focus on the very first step in the development process, designing a new app. Our goal is straightforward. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to build a new custom enterprise application from scratch and save it to your workspace. Let's get started. Alright, once you've launched the platform, you'll land here at the App Center. This is your main dashboard where you can access and manage all of your applications. Our first step, before we can begin designing, is to log in. You need to sign in to access your account and unlock the app creation features. So let's move to the top right corner and click the login button to get started. Okay. After clicking the login button, you are directed to the official sign-in page. We'll begin by entering the username. For a standard setup, the default username is admin. Let's type admin into the username field now. Perfect. Now that the username is in, the next step is the password. The default password for the admin account is also admin. Go ahead and type admin into the password field. Great! With both the username and password entered, we are ready to log in. Let's click the Sign In button to access the App Center. Excellent! We're now logged into the App Center, with the admin profile visible in the top right corner. To begin creating our new application, we need to navigate to the Design console. Our next step is to click on Design App. This brings us to the App Creation Hub. Here you have two paths. You can use a pre-built template for a quick start, or you can design a plain new app from the ground up. For our purposes, we'll be building from scratch. Let's begin by clicking the Create New App button. Here in the Design New App window, we will set the foundational details for our application. The first step is to enter a unique App ID. This ID is the primary identifier for your application in the system, so it must be unique. For this example, let's type purchase requisition into the App ID field. With the ID set, let's move to the app name. This is the display name that users will see in the App Center. It should be descriptive and easy to understand. Let's type Purchase Requisition as the app name. Excellent! We have now defined both the ID and the name for our new application. The final step in this window is to officially create the app. We need to click the Save button to finalize this and move into the main design area. Let's click Save now. And there we have it. Our Purchase Requisition app has been successfully created and saved. This new screen is the App Composer. It's your central design hub where you will build all the components of your application, from data forms and lists to user interfaces and processes. This officially concludes part 1 of our guide. You now know how to create a new custom app in your Joget workspace. Next, we'll move on to form building in part 2.